Elyse.
And I'm Joe.
And we are the co-founders of Eosera Inc. We're a biotech company and we're focused on developing products that improve patients' lives.
Our passion at Eosera is to develop products and innovate and go into areas where perhaps nobody's ever been, and to deliver products that really help patients out there who may be suffering.
We like to work with doctors in the community to find out what are unmet needs and then go out and develop products that can fill those needs. I am passionate about people, and that is the number one reason that my co-founder and I started this company, is that we wanted to create an environment where people and employees felt valued and felt like it was a place they wanted to come to spend their day and spend a lot of their life.
Eosera is a business for people. That's something I love about this place. At the end of the day, we're all about the consumer and we're passionate about who we serve.
So I love the all-for-one attitude that everyone has, where if there's a problem, we all race to try to fix it, and when we have a major accomplishment, we all share in the excitement, so it ends up amplifying these successes that we have and softens the blows of the mistake.
For over a decade, I worked in a very large pharmaceutical company, and I saw how big corporations were forgetting about the people that actually did the work. People became numbers, and people became disposable. And so when we started Eosera, we wanted to put people at the center of every decision that we made going forward. So whether it was our investors or our vendors, our employees, anyone that was a stakeholder in our business became the center point for every decision going forward. And we feel like we've created an environment where people feel valued and empowered, and really a place that people want to come and spend their day.
I think the atmosphere, like the people, the bosses are very nice, and it's a very comfortable place, working place for everybody, I would say.
I've had a lifelong passion for people. I think it extends back to my childhood. I've always loved being with other people and seeing other people excel and having other people help make me a better person day in and day out. I think my overriding passion for people in the workplace is seeing how wrong it can go, but also seeing how right businesses can get it in terms of making people feel like they want to work for an institution.
Eosera is so concerned about their employees, what makes it really easy for me to come into work every day, because they love and care so much about their employees. Not only their employees, they're really concerned about the consumer.
I think passion is contagious, and I think if people feel valued and people feel like they are empowered, they can take the same passion that a leader has and spread it throughout all their areas of their life and throughout all areas of the organization, and making it something that we talk about on a regular basis and something that we live out day in and day out. Makes it something real and tangible that other people can take back to their daily lives and even into their families.
Exactly.
God.